In this video, I'll show you how to check the number of YouTube video views of any channel from the command prompt using only Wget and Awk. If you are a Windows user, you can download and install Wget and Awk for Windows from the GNU website. I have provided the links in the description. First, I'll copy the channel URL from the home page. Click on the Videos tab and copy the URL. It will be your channel ID /videos. Select the channel URL, press Ctrl+C. This is the wget command which I'll run to get the videos details. It's wget channel URL /videos -o, and I'll specify the output file as SV. I'll pass the quiet flag to make the download silent. So the channel details are downloaded into file SV. So now I'll show you the command which I'll use to extract the details from the downloaded file. This is the command I'll be using. I have copied it to a file use.sh. The script takes one argument, which is the file name I have downloaded. Now I'll run the script. First I'll split the data based on column. Then I'll grep for text publishedTimeText. Then I'll do one more split based on column. So I have used two awk commands and one grep command here. I have provided the wget and the awk commands in the description. You can copy it from there. I'll run the command and show you the output. We'll provide the file name as the input. You can see that it has printed details of 11 videos which I have uploaded to my channel. By default, YouTube sorts the videos by the upload date, so you can see that the latest one is the first in the output. Now we'll go through the output. As you can see, first it prints the video title followed by the channel name, when it was uploaded, duration of the video, and the number of views. Using wget and awk commands, you can find out these details: video title, when it was uploaded, duration of the video, and the number of views. You can see the details for all the 11 videos which I have uploaded to my channel. Also note that only the details of first 30 videos will be fetched from the YouTube site. Now I'll show you how to sort this data based on the number of views. We'll go back to my channel. Now I'll sort based on the number of views. So you can see that popular videos will be listed first. I'll copy the URL. You can see that YouTube has added a parameter to the URL, which is sort equal to P. It's sorted based on the popularity. I'll go back to the command prompt, change the wget command, and I'll add the sort parameter here. The file is downloaded. I'll run the script again. You can see the same output, but it's sorted based on the number of views. I have provided these two commands in the description. You can use it to get the YouTube video details of any channel. Thanks for watching.